6X crews come by. He's gonna knock down the green signal that he got right here on track 4, and this time he's rolling out. Should be going out completely this time. Never seen a green on track 4 until today. I seen it on track 3, and there he goes. He just knocked down the signal. I'm not gonna face it too much to the right because there's a sun glare. Let me know in the comments if you guys can see this train pretty good from the angle I'm got it in. I was about to say holding it in. Well, both. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up and let's just watch the train. A lot of nice graffiti. This is where he stopped that last time in front of us, this car right here. He's rolling out this time. Tall hoppers here. If you guys think I'm doing a little bit too much movement, let me know. Because I know some people, they like to count the cars, and so do I. I'm able to count the cars in my videos of, well, with me counting them, I'm able to count them. I don't know if everyone else is able to. But I hope you guys are able to, and I hope you guys enjoy the trains. And this is the first train of the new year. By the way, Happy New Year, everyone. We're filming on this Sunday, January 1st, 2023. Guys, if you haven't already, and if you guys are interested in trains, check out Jawtooth and Wide World of Trains on YouTube. Very great guys. They have a lot of train videos. They have better videos than me. A lot more train videos. Just check those two out. But I hope everyone's having a great New Year's. And hope the new year brings everybody a lot of joy and a lot of great things. Same thing I'm hoping for. There is the end of this manifest freight train right here. That's gonna do it for this train.